Good morning. In the recent Man Ki Baat program, which the PMC Narendra Modi ji do every month, in his recent, or you can say the last Man Ki Baat program, Narendra Modi ji focused on the Indian toy industry. He spoke and gave us strength more on Indian toy industry. And Narendra Modi ji is focusing and giving strength to Indian toy industry only suggests that India is slowly having something in the back of their mind to finish the monopoly of Chinese toy industry, which is dominating in Indian domestic toy market for last 25 years. And after banning more than 200 Chinese apps, now Narendra Modi ji is focusing and trying to make our Indian toy industry Atmanirbhar, so that in coming months or coming years, it will take time, the monopoly of Chinese toys should come down, and we should the domestic toy industry should be capable enough to produce better quality toys at a reasonable rate, because Chinese products are basically cheap, so that so they capture the market quite easily. But Narendra Modi ji and his government will started focusing on toy industry, so that Indian domestic toy industry become Atmanirbhar. Now, let me tell you something about the toy industry, the production value, market share of toy industry. Now, in last 5 years, the toy market, the production value of the toy market has gone reasonably high. Now, from last 5 years, if you check the data, you will find the toy market, from the production value of toy market from 80 billion US dollar, it reached to 90.7 billion US dollars. So right now the production value of toy market is 90.7 billion US dollars. So you can understand there are it's a big market. Now the US is the big market of this toy in the for toy products, or you can say US buy lots of toys. So it's one of the biggest. So US is number one in for toy market. Then come China. Because China not only manufactured toy products, export toy products, at the same time, because of growing population, it is also by the domestic demands are also met, is enormous in China. So China also is the second country in the world who buy toy products. US is the first, and the third come the India. Now this US, China and India total market share of toy industry is approximately 60% of the world. Means if 100 is the demand of the entire world, if 100 is the demand of toys for the entire world, 60 toys are bought by US, China and India itself, and rest 40 toys, 40% of the toys are bought by the rest of the world. Now the developed countries spend lots of money on this toys, electrical cars, battery cars, and that we have seen. Now North America is one of the is the biggest, is world's market for toy industry, and there are three biggest production toy there are three big companies, US based companies who produce who manufacture toys. But what do you think that because US has got two big companies who produce toy, US don't import toys? No. About 80% of toys which US imports from China. About 80% of toys US import from China. Now China is one of the leading, I said China is one of the leading exporter of toys, and the market is expected to grow at 6.1% annually by 2020 to 2023. That means in COVID pandemic situation also, the China is dominating this toy market. It is one of the leading exporter of the toy products. At the same time, it buy lots of toy products within the country. Now China has got, means you can say, the second consumer of toys. Now why China is having such a dominating in a toy industry, toy market? Because there are few things which I'm going to say. First of all, the toy industry in China enjoy government, it's all government give facilities to toy industries. When there was a one child policy, in China, when there was a one-child policy, the Chinese spend lots of money in children's. That time when China was having one-child policy, and there was a money in the hand of Chinese people, they gave buy toys for their children, and at the same time, Chinese at that point of time give some innovative like electric cars and battery cars, and their demand, the domestic demand of toy products has gone. Even now, when China has scrapped this one child policy in China, still now they expect their domestic toy demand will go high. At the same time, they have got Chinese government give loans at a cheaper rate. The person who wants to open toy industry, they have a quality. They get subsidies from the government, incentives from the government. Chinese people the Chinese government give incentives, subsidies who come up with the toy products. Single window clearance system help company to set up the industry, land, etc. So and there is an online sales are going on. So in this way, these are the very small things I said. But China, who is one of the leading toy exporter, give lots of benefit to the toy manufacturing industry, so that they can produce in huge numbers, and so that their domestic market can be satisfied. They can fulfill the demand of domestic market, at the same time can export big market in like US, India, and they are doing in a good way. Now India's market for toy market is around 1.7 billion US dollar, which is very less, and which is around 0.8% of the world toys, which is very less. And 90% of our toys, if you see, 90% of our toys, be it branded or be it non-branded, are Chinese. So Chinese products also, Chinese toys dominate Indian market. Now government trying to take the opportunity of coronavirus, COVID pandemic right now, because the supply chain has been disturbed due to the pandemic, because China's economy is also not good. We all know the GDP of India and GDP of developed nation, but Chinese market is also not good due to supply chain has been disturbed. China is right now not able to export the toy to other countries because the supply chain has been disturbed. Now India should take this opportunity. That's why Narendra Modi ji said in a Mann Ki Baat कि let's focus on toy industry, develop the toy manufacturing industry, support them, give them loan, etc., etc. Because the supply chain is now stopped. COVID pandemic is going on. China is not able to export their toy products, and this is an opportunity for India. Now if this is the if India don't take this opportunity and the supply chain starts again the toys, the electrical the cars and battery cars will come from China, and it will again capture our domestic market. That should not happen. And yes, the Narendra Modi government has taken a call for the right time to give this toy manufacturing sector a boost, because our toy industry, we don't have a proper so big industry and everything. We might have seen all the toys in a domestic, it's not so big, or they don't give so much highlight what they get in China. Yes, government has done enough, like but the import duties and all, etc., but this is not enough. The government should do something and try to boost and try to help the toy industry, so that the toy industry became Atmanirbhar. We can manufacture good quality toys, cars, electrical car, battery cars at a reasonable price. China products are sometimes not good, which are harmful, but their products are very cheap. Because they get incentive for government, that is why they get lots of help from the government. But yes, last Man Ki Baat, Narendra Modi ji said about giving strength to domestic toy industry. Only it suggests that Narendra Modi gradually wants to finish the monopoly of China, that they can only be the exporter of a toy product. Thank you very much.